Hello everybody, welcome to the Bad F Man Show. I'm your host, Bad F Man. And today I had a surgical procedure done to install a USB port directly to my brain. So luckily this device that I'm using has a USB port where I can actually take videos of what's inside my brain. So here we go. Let's just hook this up for you. Hold on. Where is it? Okay, there it is. Click. $5.
Doesn't anyone notice this? I feel like I'm taking crazy pills!
I gotta go get wiser. Wiser.
You fucking crazy, man. You sound insane. Do you realize that? You should be medicated.
And then you just killed it. No, but see, this is when oh, and we just killed a hooker.
Nom 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 nom.
My beer is Rheingold, the dry beer. East side, west side, and up, down, and down. Rheingold extra dry beer is the beer of great renown. Friendly, freshening Rheingold, always happily dry. The clean, clear taste you want in beer is in Rheingold extra dry. From Lexington to Madison and on both sides of Park, they ask for Rheingold extra dry before and after dark.
From Coney to Connecticut on Flatbush Avenue.
From Jersey scenes way out to Queens, they sing as millions do. My beer is Rheingold, the dry beer. Friendly, freshening, and happily dry beer. Dry means clean, and it's clean.
Oh my god. That was the weirdest thing I have ever done. I am going to get this surgically removed again. I do not want this thing inside my brain anymore, because that was weird. And I will talk with you all later. Have fun. Bad F Man out.